Alright, we got this last little bit of hole to last area of holes right here, and then we'll start up on the interior section. Get that all lined up. Make sure my little brackets there. Let's see. There we go. Perfect. All right. Okay. All the holes are hammered on that. So now we'll try to get these done. Let's see what we can do right quick. Get the interior all done. Next step will be putting this baby together. It's always good when you've got all the tools and everything that you need to get something right. There we go, right there. Just bought me a new tool. If I can find it, here it is. I should have had it a long time ago. It's an 1/8 inch punch, and when it's this close, it goes in really good right at the edge of the in between each pocket. Last thing you want to do is hammer a hole in it, tear up the end of the leather. Don't like that at all. Make sure, yeah, we're right there. I know it's hard to see it. Okay. Main thing is to be sure that all the holes are in the right spot. You don't want to hammer into the leather that you just were trying to get into, I guess, or trying to. Sometimes I put the pockets a little closer, but we needed to in this case. There we go, right there. I think I gotta go back one and check that one. Went through, okay, let's see, got this one. Or did I? Yeah, I got that one. This one right here is what I need. There we go. Wait a minute. Sorry, guys. Gotta make sure. Gotta make sure. Don't want to tear it up. Okay, that's good. Okay, those are all hammered. So we'll get to this. There, get there. Where's my other one? There we go. Oh, that's right. I got to put the hole. Sorry, guys. I knew I was forgetting one thing. Always want to put your holes in there at the end. Down here at the bottom. Want to make sure your holes are all in. The corner pieces, that way you know where to stop. Just turn this around right quick. Feels about right. Let's get that over a little. Okay. Right there. Alright, let's get back to, I'll do one side and then I'll go ahead and hammer holes on the other. We'll line all these up. Get ready to start lacing. And as I said in the other, earlier in the video, I was talking about the lace. I'll be using some, I may try some of the calf lace. And if not, I'll use some of the kid skin lace. Just depends on which works better for this project. They're both quality laces. Of course, I make the lace when I'm cutting the leather, so I'll be able to inspect it, and if one doesn't feel just as good, then I will use the other. There we go, right there. Comes out really good. Alright. The way I like to do this bottom area, I like to start right here in the edge. That way I know I'm going to get right next to the edge. And I can do that because the hole at the other end is basically a stopper. I know that I'm going to be a certain distance away from that edge, at that hole edge, so I don't have a problem on that. There we go. Right there. Here. Moving right along with this wallet. That's a good thing. Hopefully we'll be able to get it back cleaned pretty quick. He'll be able to put it back in his pocket and use it for the next so many years. Hopefully next 20 years, as he said. That will only be a good thing. He was really curious about whether he was going to be able to save this wallet or not. I told him, well, send it to me. We'll see if we can. All right, there we go. I'll go ahead and hammer the rest of them here. Just wanted to show you the interior, of course. And I'll go ahead and finish it up by hammering the rest of them. Let me put you up. I really appreciate you guys watching the video with me, or working with me, and I enjoy doing these videos, and this one was no different than the others. Thank you for watching. If you want to be a subscriber, please do. If you are a subscriber, please ring the bell for notifications. That way the other videos coming up, you can watch them as well. I really appreciate you guys watching them, of course. And if you like what you see, continue to watch the other videos out there on YouTube. And go to, my channel is Legendary Leatherwork. And usually the title is Blind Leatherworker. And if you want to purchase some of the wallets or items that I'm making, www.legendaryleatherwork.com, and go and see the Go and see the website if you like it. If you'd like to purchase something, email me at Carl, K-A-R-L, at legendaryleatherwork.com, or give me a phone call, area code 817-903-5415. Really appreciate it. You guys have a good one.